In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to host a website from Replit. We'll take a project you've built on Replit, connect it to GitHub, and then import it into Vercel so it's live on a public URL. This approach is a great alternative to hosting directly on Replit, and it gives you automatic redeploys whenever you update your code. Start by opening Replit in your browser and loading the project you want to host. Make sure it runs locally in Replit without errors first. It's always easier to deploy something that already works in the editor. Next, look to the left sidebar and open the Tools panel alongside your files. This is where Replit groups helpful integrations. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see all the options clearly. Scroll down within Tools and find the Git section. This is where you'll connect your project to version control. If you're new to Git, think of it as the system that tracks your changes and lets services like GitHub and Vercel pull your code for deployment. Here, confirm that your project is connected to GitHub. If it isn't, click the gear icon to open the settings for the Git integration. You'll be prompted to choose a repository name and visibility later, but for now, we just want the connection ready. If you're not already linked to GitHub, click Sign In with GitHub. Authorize the connection when prompted. It's a good idea to grant access only to the repositories you need and to review the permissions screen before continuing. Once connected, you can verify everything on GitHub. Open your GitHub account in a new tab and confirm the repository exists and that your Replit files have been pushed. If you've just connected, give it a moment and refresh. You should see your project files and recent commits. Now head over to Vercel and connect your GitHub account there as well. Authorize Vercel to access the repository you just created. If you prefer, choose access to only the specific repository instead of all of them. Finally, in Vercel, click the project you want to import. Vercel will scan the repository, auto-detect your framework, and suggest default build and output settings. In most cases, the defaults work fine. Start the import and watch the build logs to confirm everything compiles successfully. When it finishes, you'll get a live URL to share. From now on, any changes you push from Replit to GitHub will automatically trigger a fresh deployment on Vercel. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.